Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? I'm here with my my homegirl. You know, this is my homegirl, hottest chick on the earth, the pit bull in the skirt. You know.
Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm here with the most caring guy in the world, Will. You know, he'll be helping me, you know, do some stuff for like, you know, the Cisco, the Microsoft.
Yeah.
And
eventually think about getting certified?
Yeah.
On Microsoft?
Yeah.
What you think? Excel probably?
Excel.
Alright, be a ninja with that keyboard? Okay, alright, no doubt, we got you.
Yeah, so
So you thinking about going for your CCENT, Cisco? You know, it's $150 over at Passaic Community College.
Oh yeah, that's lit.
Alright, no doubt, no doubt. Alright.
You guys should cop a hat too.
No doubt.
You see?
Cisco. We out here, you know?
Yeah.
You know, we almost there. And
just know my boy is making it to the top.
Oh, well thank you. I'm trying. And if I do, you're coming with me.
I'll be right along every step of the way.
No doubt. All right. Quick, let me see, I'm trying to think. All right, well thank you, Quasia. Thank you. I appreciate that sincerely. All right, so I gotta make moves, you know. I'm here with the hottest chick on the earth. All right, the pit bull in the skirt. All right, but we gotta go. All right, deuces. Bye. 1. Ooh.